Okay, I don't know if you can see it in the video here, but this is a piece of wood I found on the side of the road. It's got this rough textured look on its one side. It's been stained and everything. We're gonna make us a Ford sign out of it. Okay, first we're gonna pocket out some with a 1/4 inch end mill here. Okay, if you can see it here, I made a miscalculation and I went too deep here because I was going to make some texture look on this right here. So what I'm going to do is mix me up some Bondo and put it in here, and then we'll mill back over. Okay, let's let that dry, then we'll machine it again. Okay, after the Bondo dried, I went back over it and everything. You see it's now fixed. Okay, I'm going to paint. We need some of this craft paint, this cobalt blue, and paint blue in here, and then try not to get none on the outer edges here. Okay, I painted it and I let it dry and I put a couple coats on it, and I was going to cut an oval out around this, but I like the texture of the wood grain. Okay, I've got my little jig gut here. Let's cut it off here. Since this is the only end, I'm just going to put me a little dark one on it. That's probably too dark. Let me try. Okay, the dark one, it's too dark. So let me try some pine. Try to just get some on the top or the end here, because I like the way the top already looks. Okay, let's let this dry. Okay, here's the finished product. I think it turned out pretty good. I don't know where I'm going to spray any clear over it or not. It takes away that rustic feel of it, so I might leave it just like it is. Let me give you a closer view. Here it is up close. I started to cut out the oval around it, but then I like the character of the roughness and everything. I think it adds to it. So I think it turned out great. Thanks for watching, guys.